Good morning, my lovelies. It is Thursday, December the 13th. And Daemon, if you are watching this, go to hell and stop publicly humiliating people, especially my dad. To everyone else, good morning. How are you? Ian's coming today. Emma's coming today. My mom has to go to her GI doctor. And yeah, should be interesting.
And today on crazy random shit that's happening in my house, we are possibly installing a new toilet, maybe? I don't know if it's going back or getting put in or what the hell's going on with it. Can you say hello to the people?
Hello, people.
Can you say, my name is Ian?
My name
How old are you, Ian?
2 years old.
Very good. And what's your favorite thing in the world?
Car.
Yeah, it is. Are you a happy bab?
Car.
Okay then.
Hello, this is a message for Daemon, the demon. And the only reason I'm doing this is because I know he does not watch these videos. You, sir, are a butt face, a stinky poop. You are horrible and your sensitivity training is not working. You do not get to publicly humiliate people, especially my dad. And you're a butt face and I hate you. I hate your guts and I wish they would fire you. And I feel really bad for your wife and kids because if this is how you treat your employees, I can only imagine how you treat your family. Anything else I'm forgetting?
Oh, yeah.
Go to hell.
Hey.
Okay, maybe not go to hell, but go to heck.
And if you have anything else to say about it, and for some reason you're spending your time watching this, why?
Yeah, why? If for some reason you are watching this, Daemon,
And you know who you are.
you know who you are. You know who you are. I'm sorry, just Daddy's boss is being an absolute turd, and there's nothing we can do about it except this. So, you know. All of that aside, I am super sleepy, and we have a lot to do today, and, like, we gotta pack, I gotta study. Oh, let's get it going.
Also, I want y'all to know that I packed that box so beautifully last night, and I packed those Skylanders so beautifully, and then, Daddy came home and was all worried, so he opened it and I threw it, and now I'm sad, which, it's not his fault. He was just making sure everything was where it was supposed to be, but
He was looking for a case for a DVD.
he was looking for a specific case for a specific movie, and now I'm sad.
So, Daemon might be gone?
Why was he nice today?
Give me a couple of minutes. Also, guys, remind me,
Working on your job when you were on yesterday.
I have to edit videos today because I'm like so behind on editing and uploading. Among everything else I have to get done today.
Are you in your imagination box?
Hey, Ian, what you doing, Bubba?
Power.
Yeah, are you having fun in the box?
Okay, so update. We've packed maybe 3 more boxes. We got almost all the movies put in a box. We got half the bookshelf cleaned off. We taped up a box that had been packed before. So that's 3 boxes. Plus the Skylander box, so 4 boxes. Now it is time to feed kids because they are grumpy butts and then, put them down for a nap. So yeah, that's where we are. So what's wrong? So the pipe that lets the water go in and out of the toilet and the hall bathroom.
Now the sewage pipe.
The sewage pipe is crushed. This is just every time we're something major is happening, something goes.
Hello, how you doing? Good, how are you?
And now to disassemble our second gaming setup. You're in the video. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello, Grandma.
Hi. See, I got my flowers.
Oh. All right. Let's get to work.
I'm very not happy right now. I get to go disconnect another console. Patrick, what do you have to say on the matter?
I'm just confused and as annoyed.
Okay then.
Obligatory cute baby shot. Because cute baby is cute baby. Cute baby needs to be taking a nap. But she's too busy wiggling. Okay then. Are you saying hi to everyone? Okay then, let's go get this awful task done. Okay, so we were doing some cleaning, and we found an old an old computer game disc, and it's not entirely working, but it's not entirely broken either. So I don't know.
Working good for a second.
I mean, it's still kind of broken, but that doesn't necessarily mean I'm gonna stop.
And it's breaking your messing with your computer.
Yeah, I mean, it might kill my computer, but that it will go down in a blaze of glory of nostalgia.
Yeah.
Click this button. If you want to play from the beginning, click this button.
Oh my God, guys! Look at Emma in her hat. Emma. Look at the kitty.
Blow kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Tell her bye-bye. Mwah. Blow kiss.
Bye. I'll see you tomorrow, nice peoples.
Okay, look like a creeper, why don't you? So basically, Patrick, say hello, Patrick.
Hello.
Has no idea about how CD slides and sleeves and what have you work. So we're gonna go
Floppy
educate the
disks.
boy. Yes, and floppy disks.
I mean, I was born in 2004.
Yeah,
It's
he
way
has
before my
no
time.
clue. So we're gonna go educate the boy. Okay. So we found what we were after, and now I've got to go find food because I'm hungry, but I don't really feel like cooking, so let's see what we can find. Also, I look super mask in this, and I'm here for it.